Welcome to Daily IQ. Today, 13th September 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 18 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Which is world's best country in 2024 as per the US News and World Report? Answer is Switzerland. For the third consecutive year, Switzerland tops the overall list of the world's best countries, a rankings and analysis project by US News and World Report. Switzerland is followed by Japan, the United States of America, Canada, and Australia. India ranked at number 33 on the list this year, dropping 3 spots from its place on the list in 2023. Question number 2. Which Indian state was the partner of Second International Conference on Green Hydrogen? Answer is Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated the Second International Conference on Green Hydrogen on 11 September 2024. The 3-day Second International Conference on Green Hydrogen was held at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi from 11 to 13 September 2024. The Gujarat government is the state partner of the conference. Green hydrogen is produced by breaking of water into hydrogen and oxygen by passing electricity. Question number 3. India's first Earth observation satellite constellation is set to establish by. Answer is Nibe Space. On 8 September 2024, Nibe Space Private Limited, NSPL, a subsidiary of Nibe Limited, has announced plans to set up India's first multi-sensor, all-weather, high-revisit Earth observation satellite constellation, EOSC, at an event held in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It aims to promote India's defense and space capabilities. Through this consortium, NSPL aims to deploy a constellation of 40 low Earth orbit satellites over the next 5 to 6 years. Question number 4. Which state school has won the Under-17 boys title of the 63rd Subroto Cup? Answer is Manipur. The 63rd Subroto Cup International Football Tournament for Under-17 boys was held in New Delhi from 2nd to 11th September. Manipur's TG English School won the Under-17 boys title of the 63rd Subroto Cup, defeating Meghalaya's Mainkin Christian Higher Secondary School in the final on 11th September 2024. Manipur's TG English School received the trophy and a cheque of 5 lakhs rupees. The first Subroto Cup was held in 1960 in New Delhi. Question number 5. Which country has organized the 5th edition of the bilateral military exercise, Al-Najah? Answer is Oman. The 5th edition of the bilateral military exercise, Al-Najah, between the Indian Army and the Royal Army of Oman, has been organized from 13th to 26th September at the Rabkoot training area in Salalah, Oman. Exercise Al-Najah has been held between the two countries' forces since 2015 and is held alternately in India and Oman every 2 years. The 4th Al-Najah exercise was held in Rajasthan from 1st to 13th August 2022. Question number 6. Which country has organized the 7th edition of the bilateral military exercise, Eastern Bridge? Answer is Oman. The 7th edition of the bilateral military exercise, Eastern Bridge, between the Indian Air Force and the Royal Oman Air Force, commenced at the Air Force Base Masira in Oman from 11th to 22nd September 2024. The first edition of the bilateral exercise, Eastern Bridge, was held in 2009 in Oman. The 6th edition of the bilateral exercise, Eastern Bridge, was held at the Indian Air Force's Jodhpur base from 21 to 25 February 2022. Question number 7. what is the duration of Mission Mausam launched by the Government of India? Answer is 2 years. In a meeting held on 11 September 2024 and chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Union Cabinet approved Mission Mausam. The duration of the Mission Mausam is 2 years, and the Government of India has approved an outlay of 2,000 crore rupees. The Mission Mausam will strengthen India's research and development capability in weather and climate-related science. Question number 8. How many roads will be constructed under the fourth phase of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana? Answer is 62,500 kilometers. In a meeting held on 11 September 2024 and chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Union Cabinet approved the fourth phase of the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, PMGSY. The duration of the fourth Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana is 5 years, from 2024 to 25 to 2028 to 29, with total outlay of 70,125 crore rupees. Under the fourth Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, 62,500 kilometers of all-weather roads or bridges will be built and upgraded to connect the 25,000 unconnected rural villages. Question number 9. Name of the mother of Asian cinema passed away at the age of 88? Answer is Aruna Vasudev. Aruna Vasudev, a renowned Indian film scholar, critic, festival curator and painter, has passed away at the age of 88 in New Delhi. She was born in 1936 in British India. She was called by the nickname Mother of Asian Cinema, renowned for raising interest and knowledge on Asian film cultures around the world. In 1988, Aruna Vasudev launched Cinemaya, the Asian Film Quarterly, a pioneering film magazine specialized to Asian cinema published in Delhi. Question number 10. Whose autobiography, 5 Decades in Politics, has been released recently? Answer is Sushil Kumar Shinde. Senior Congress leader Sushil Kumar Shinde's autobiography, 5 Decades in Politics, was released recently in Delhi. Sushil Kumar Shinde was the Energy Minister of India from 2006 to 2012. He was made Home Minister of India in the year 2012. He has served as the Governor of Andhra Pradesh from 2004 to 2006. He was also the 15th Chief Minister of Maharashtra from 2003 to 2004. Question number 11. Which state has set up GRIT as a think tank like Niti Aayog? Answer is Gujarat. The Gujarat government on 10 September announced the formation of Gujarat State Institution for Transformation, or GRIT, a think tank modelled on the Niti Aayog to help realize the vision of Viksit, or developed state, by 2047. The body will function under the chairmanship of the Chief Minister and will comprise experts from 15 sectors and senior functionaries of the state government. Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, in the National Capital Region, NCR? Answer is Rajesh Verma. In 1987, batch IAS officer Rajesh Verma was appointed as the new chairman of the Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, in the National Capital Region, NCR, and adjoining areas on 9 September 2024. He succeeded Dr. M. Kutty, who served as the full-time chairperson for 3 years. The Commission for Air Quality Management, CAQM, was established as a statutory body by the government in August 2021 as an overarching body to carry out air quality management in Delhi NCR. Question number 13. Ashok Raj Sigdel took oath as the new army chief of which country? Answer is Nepal. Ashok Raj Sigdel was officially sworn in as the 45th Chief of the Army Staff of the Nepali Army on 9 September. The Nepali Army, also referred to as the Gorkhali Army, is the land service branch of the Nepali Armed Forces. After the Gorkha Kingdom was founded in 1559, its army was established in 1560 and initially became known as the Gorkhali Army. Question number 14. Recently, Bepicolombo spacecraft has reached the closest to which planet? Answer is Mercury. The Bepicolombo spacecraft has made its closest approach to Mercury, passing within 165 kilometers of the planet's surface on 4 September 2024. From here, it has sent black and white pictures of Mercury's barren and spotted surface at Sunrise. This spacecraft will enter Mercury's orbit in 2026. The Bepicolombo mission is a joint collaboration between the European Space Agency and Japan. The spacecraft's mission is to study how Mercury formed. Question number 15. INS Malpe and INS Mulki included in the Indian Navy have been developed by whom? Answer is Cochin Shipyard. Two indigenously built anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft, INS Malpe and INS Mulki, were launched at Cochin Shipyard Limited. Those are 4th and 5th anti-submarine warfare shallow watercrafts, ASWCWC, built for the Indian Navy. Each ship is 78 meters in length, 11 meters in width, and has a full load displacement of 900 tons, capable of moving at a speed of 25 knots. Question number 16. Who has won the Singapore Literature Award 2024 recently? Answer is Prashanti Ram. Prashanti Ram, an Indian-origin lecturer at Singapore's Nanyang Technological University, has won the Singapore Literature Prize for her short story, 9-Yard Saris, written in English. This first work of 32-year-old Prashanti Ram was published in late 2023. The Singapore Literature Prize is a biennial award in Singapore, recognize outstanding published works by Singaporean authors in any of the 4 official languages: Chinese, English, Malay, and Tamil. Question number 17. In India, National Forest Martyrs Day is celebrated every year on. Answer is 11th September. National Forest Martyrs Day, observed annually on 11th September in India. The date was chosen to commemorate the Khejrali massacre, a significant event in Indian history. In 1730, 363 members of the Bishnoi community in the Marwar kingdom sacrificed their lives to protect khejri trees from being cut down by the orders of Maharaja Abhay Singh Rathore. Question number 18. United Nations has declared which date as World Rural Development Day? Answer is 6 July. The United Nations General Assembly at its 78th session in September 2024, proclaiming 6 July of every year as World Rural Development Day. The first ever United Nations World Rural Development Day will be observed on 6 July 2025. 6 July commemorates the establishment of the Center of Integrated Rural Development for Asia and the Pacific, CERDAP, in 1979. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.